Hello and welcome. My name is David Oisamoje. Welcome to another design tutorial with me, your boy David. Yes, I'm here to give you quality designs that sell on print on demand site. We're talking design sites like print on demand site like Redbubble, Public Spring Match by Amazon, Society 6. If this is something you're interested in, make sure you stick around, make sure you watch the videos to the very end. Anytime you see my video pop up on your notification, make sure you watch them to the very end, because every time, anytime, it's going to be a new vibe. So with this said, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe. If you're just joining me for the first time. For my other subscribers, I really appreciate you guys. You guys are amazing. I'm not going to waste your time talking too much, so I'm going to go straight right into it. I'm going to be using canva.com for this one. So click on Canva. Click on canva.com. So I'm going to create a new design. Custom dimension. Let me tell you a secret. The custom dimension for this one is 4500 by 5400. Did you hear me? I know you heard me. That's a secret. Keep it in mind. Always make sure you use that to create a new design. For this one, we're going to be creating something super short. It's going to be one of my shortest video ever produced on this channel, because I want to show you how easy a design can be and how profitable it can also be. So I'm just going to go to text. Just going to click on this first one. Make it bigger. Move your cursor to this edge. Increase that. So now would simply just ungroup these three layers. Ungroup these three layers. Delete that. We don't want that, and we don't want that too. So now this one, we're gonna highlight that. We're gonna do girl. So it's gonna do that. So increase this. I told you how to do that. You over your mouse to this edge, press on the left mouse click button and drag that outward. So now we have that. Says girl. What do you think is going to be under? We'll find out soon. So now we're bringing our other text. This is going to say gang. Get. So it's going to say gang like that. So now that we have that, we just put that just like that. Move this. Let's move this to the middle. And move this like so. So now we're almost done with this design. I'm just going to go to elements and see if I can find something. Let me see. Okay, let me see if I can find something I can use here. Most of the elements here are paid. If you check the first link in the description, you see the link for Canva Pro. You get one more free on me. You can use that. So now that we're not getting any elements, I'm just going to leave it the way it is. Just the way it is. A simple design, super easy design, not complicated. Make sure you check the link. If you click on download right about now, you can download without the white background, and you need the design without the background if you're serious about print on demand, because you want to be able to upload your design on different colors of shade. Everybody has a different color of different taste of color, so make sure you do that. You click on download. Once you click on download, it's going to prepare your download. Make sure you get the link. First link in the description. You see Canva Pro free 30 days or something like that. You get that and you're good to go. Let's go look at how our design looks. Simple design. Didn't take us much time to create this. You can see girl gang. It's as simple as that. You can create similar designs, and see it just took us about 4 minutes to get that done. Not super complicated. Without said, to your right you see a playlist. Make sure you watch those playlists, and I'll see you on the next one. Stay blessed. One love.